Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing Huda Beauty's lipstick in the shade Payday, and I'm finally in my studio. Today is 1st of March and I just came I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I'm doing much better mentally. Of course we still do have our days where we really miss Oliver, but we are doing much better. The wedding preps have started, so you're going to get a lot of wedding content, and I've filmed a lot of videos for you guys throughout this month, because I had already filmed a lot of videos that I wasn't able to edit because that time Oliver fell sick and I wasn't doing very well mentally. But yeah, you're going to get a lot of videos. I also have a lot of my DIYs coming back, especially the ones that I've been using since my engagement and throughout this whole wedding prep, because like I mentioned to you guys, I did not go to the parlor for any treatment. I never did any facial, I didn't do any cleanup, I didn't no kind of treatment. Whatever I did at home with my DIYs. So all of that will be coming. In fact, on my engagement I completely skipped foundation. I did not wear foundation at all, and I loved the way my skin was looking. I was feeling really confident, and I wanted to share all those DIYs and tips with you guys, but then something just kept happening. Life just started getting a little difficult, but now we've sorted out everything. I've sorted out everything. I also have my house tour coming this week, which is the house that me and Deepak are going to live in, that we set up. Now this is the studio in my house. Of course this is still you know, like, we still have a lot of work to do. There's a lot of more setting that we have to do in this room. So maybe this room I will show you guys after it is done, but the house of course is ready, so I will give you guys a house tour. And I'm really excited for this month because I have so much content coming. I have so much videos filmed, and yeah, so I just came in quickly to give you guys this update that we are fine mentally, physically, and I'm really trying to upgrade my YouTube game. And yeah, I'm going to try and post a lot of videos. I know you guys have had a lot of requests and I've taken everything down. I have everything prepared for you guys, so you will be getting a lot of skincare videos, a lot of my DIYs, and a lot to do with acne and pigmentation and hair and hair masks, everything. So I'm really excited, and I just hope to see you guys. And yeah, that's it. I will meet you guys from tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm posting one video, and then after that it just goes on. So I will meet you guys tomorrow, and until then, bye. Now I'm just trying to show you guys my watch. It's just me and my fiance fist bumping. Yeah, it's not, I'm not able to show it clearly, but yeah, bye. They always complain that Oliver keeps barking, and now their dog is barking, and I should not have a problem with it. I'm gonna go complain just because I want to complain. Okay.